Hello everyone, welcome to the today's session on Visual J Forex. Today I will show you how you can use the Visual J Forex to identify whether trend of an instrument, whether the instrument is in sideways trend, is in uptrend, is in downtrend. So using a very simple logic, you can identify that by test running a strategy over that instrument in last week or in recent days. Even you can use till the yesterday on daily time frame. So let's begin. And Visual J Forex, most of the viewers, those who are watching regularly, they know very easy to use tool. You just need one day to get familiar with all of its function. But to develop a profitable strategy, you will need to spend some more time. And after you develop a profitable strategy, test run it for a period of 5 to 10 years. Then only you should start using it in your live account. So let's begin. So this is the daily chart of the Euro USD, and I will use the simple logic. If candle is red, strategy will execute a sell trade. If candle is green, strategy will execute a buy trade. And this is the GMT because Visual J Forex uses a GMT time frame. So suppose you are going for means you will need to adjust your chart setting as per the GMT time period, because yet we are not having the option of using other time frame in Visual J Forex. So you will need to stick to the GMT. So this is the Euro USD, and same thing I will show you on multiple instruments. You can use any instrument. So I will go for you can go for a Euro GBP, you can go for a Euro GPY. So I will show you same thing on 5 instruments. So like this is the sideways trend, and the test run you can easily identify the trend of the instrument. So that I am going to show you today. Concept will be like this: candle is green, so here strategy will execute a buy trade and stop loss will be the low of that candle. So suppose price of the instrument passes below that, it will close that trade, and that way we will come to know trend is against us. And if it goes in profit, like here you could have got some profit, and then you can use the trailing stop loss. So suppose after opening a position your trade goes in profit, that time you will need to understand, yes, instrument started trending in particular direction, whether it is in uptrend, whether it is in downtrend. Suppose the executed trade is a short trade and it goes in profit, that time obviously instrument is in downtrend, and vice versa. If here strategy executes a buy trade, obviously we could have got some pips here. Time easily you can benefit from that uptrend. So idea is to identify the trend of the instrument, and manually you can use this concept to find the entry point, or even you can develop a strategy using this concept, and after that you can define your entry point by putting some logic, like some people follow the RSI, some follow the EMA crossover. Several things are there that I am going to teach in the advanced course, as this is the basic course. So just today I will show you how you can use the Visual J Forex to identify the trend of the instrument. Now begin with the on candle. I will connect it with the E block. Here I will define the positions, open positions, all positions, position amounts. That should be less than 1. Then use the another E block to define the candle period, on candle, last beat candle, and candle period will be daily. Then use the multiple action. So components, logical, multiple action. By using the multiple action block, you can use the 5 instrument at one time, and if you want more than 5, simply add the one more multiple action block and connect it with the one flow. So first let us develop it on 5 instruments. Now take the historical candles block from the info section. We will need 5 blocks for the 5 instruments. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second flow, third one, then fourth, and then 5. This way you can use the 5 instrument by using the single multiple action block. If you want more than 5, simply add one more multiple action block. In one block I will keep the default instrument, that is I am going for a Euro USD. Default period change to daily. Change shift value to 1 so that it will consider the yesterday's candle. Name it as a candle Euro USD. And another instrument you can take, like CHFJPY is there, you can use that. Change candle period to daily. Change shift value to 1 here. Repeat the action in all the 5 blocks. Select the instrument of your choice and then candle CHF JPY. Then USD CAD is there. Change time period to daily. Then change shift value to 1. Candle Then here also change the instrument to AUDJPY is there, and then change defer candle period to daily. And shift value to 1. And then here candle AUDJPY. Here change instrument to you can use any instruments. CAD JPY is there. Generally JPY moves in a similar manner. So I will go for a different instrument. AUDUSD is there. And then change candle period to daily. Change shift value to 1. And then name it as candle AUD USD. Okay, now logic will be very simple. Take the 5 if blocks. Okay, and then we need a open at market blocks. 10 open at market blocks will be required as we have the 5 instruments. So 2 each. Now click on auto created variables. Here you will find all the 5 instruments candle. So first is Euro USD. Click on Euro USD. We just need a candle close and candle open. So candle open and candle close. So suppose candle open is greater, then strategy should execute a sell trade. Candle open is greater means candle has closed in red. And if so, first what I will do, simply instrument is Euro USD, trade amount. I will go for the default values and here just change the stop loss to candle low. For that, in the settings you will need to change it to price. Okay, and here keep the stop loss as a candle low. Here is the take profit. So stop loss is candle low. Trade amount, here you can keep change Okay, trade amount, I will go for a micro lot and then copy it and then paste. So that saves your time. Now just you will need to change the trade command to buy. If candle open is less than candle close, that time strategy candle has closed in green, so strategy will execute a buy. And here your stop loss will be little, as this is in the buy command, stop loss will be that day's low. Means if price passes below that day's yesterday's low, that time your stop loss will get hit. And for the sell trade, stop loss will be that day's high. In the setting, okay, prices. So for the sell trade, stop loss will be that day's high, and for the buy side, stop loss will be that day's low, means yesterday's low. Now next instrument, so we will need to keep some gap, so I will just arrange the blocks. Now here place the value of the CHFJPY. Here we will need a candle open and candle close. Suppose candle open is greater than candle close, and that time strategy will execute a sell. Open is less than candle close, that time strategy will execute a buy trade. So here change the instrument to CHFJPY. Then trade amount, you can put it as per your requirement. Now remove the stop loss, remove the take profit, and in the setting change it to price. So this is the buy command. As candle open is less than candle close, so stop loss will be candle low. Means yesterday's low will act as your stop loss. I am not going to put the take profit, as you can continue if instrument starts trending. You can continue the position till its next resistance. Now copy the same block. So copy it and paste it. Change the command to sell. Candle open is greater than the candle close, that means candle has closed in red. Okay, so strategy will execute a sell trade, and here stop loss will be yesterday's high, so candle high. Candle CHFJPY candle high. In the setting, price. Now next instrument, USD CAD. Click on candle USD CAD. Take the two values, candle open and candle close. So here candle open is less than candle close. That means strategy candle has closed in green. So strategy will execute a buy trade. Now in the input value, change the instrument. Here Euro USD, some problems. So let me change it to CHF JPY. Here also. Now blocks are ready. So when I change the setting, that time instrument has changed to CH Euro US default instrument. Okay. So price. First only change the setting to price. Then change the instrument. Otherwise, automatically that will move to Euro USD. Now here we need USD CAD. And command is buy. Stop loss will be that day's low. USD CAD. So USD CAD candle low. This is for the buy side. Now copy it and then setting is price and stop loss. As this we are going to use it for the sale. So for the sale, candle open should be greater than candle close. And stop loss will be candle high. Now next instrument. AUD JPY. And here click on candle AUD JPY. Take the candle open and candle close. So if candle open is less than candle close, that time strategy will trade. Here first change setting to price. Then put the candle low as the stop loss. And then change instrument to AUD JPY. copy the block and paste it. Here stop loss will be candle high. And our trade command will be here candle close is greater than candle open is greater than candle close. So that's why strategy will execute a sell trade as candle has closed in red. Candle AUDJPY, candle open and candle close. So when candle open is greater than candle close, strategy will execute a sell trade. Just check settings once. Sometimes blocks, when we shift the values, setting may change. And then the last instrument, that is the AUD/USD, and here now click on AUD/USD, take the two values, candle open and candle close. Now for the buy side, we need candle open less than candle close. Then in the setting, change it to price. Then in the stop loss, candle low will be our stop loss. Slippage 5 and trade amount you can change as per your requirement. And instrument, change it to AUD/USD. And AUD/USD, here it is. Okay, block and paste it. So here when candle open is greater than candle close means candle has closed in red, and that time strategy will execute a sell trade. Okay, and stop loss will be our candle high, means that day's high, because we are using a daily candle. So this way our strategy is ready. Buy, sell, AUD/USD. Let me check the instruments one more time. USD AUD USD candle open greater than candle close and AUD USD. Now next is AUD JPY, candle AUD JPY, candle open candle close and AUD JPY, AUD JPY. Stop loss candle low for the buy side, candle high for the sell side. Here USD CAD, candle USD CAD open, USD CAD close, candle USD CAD and instrument USD CAD. CHF JPY daily, then candle CHF JPY, CHF JPY and instrument CHF JPY. Here Euro USD and candle Euro USD and USD. So save it. Five instruments. Trend check. Now export it in the Java format. And then import it. Strategies. Compile it. Test it. Previous week, okay, and then 1 minute. I will need this. Automatically it adds a test run on the 5 instrument, but it will not show us visually. That's why we will need to. So we have got the AUD JPY and AUD USD. Then we have got the USD CAD 3, Euro USD, and other one is the CHF JPY. So 5, okay, and then start. So today uh, till the next here. Trade on only one instrument. Yes. I will explain all things in detail. So one trade which is closed in loss, and then it has executed. Now still the trade is open in AUD USD, that is, and AUD JPY, it has closed the trade on AUD JPY which is in loss. AUD USD, it's open in profit. CHF JPY, one trade closed in loss. Euro USD, it is open and 108 pip profit in the end. And then USD CAD closed in loss. And now the concept is, if you were two trades, if your two consecutive trades get stopped out, then you will need to understand that instrument is in sideways trend. Here it has closed in loss. Okay, so here after that you should stop your strategy. Second instrument, here also stopped out. Okay, so that time should understand trend is against you, and you can use this in your another strategy. Means you can look for a opposite trade in opposite direction. AUD USD, here trade is open, so this is going in your favor. So here you can continue till the next support if the trade is sell, next resistance if trade is buy. Means long, for the long trade you can use the resistance level, for short trade you can use the next support levels. So this way you can use this concept to check the trend of the instrument, and by using that trend of the instrument you can open your positions on lower time frame also. So that's it for the day, friends. Any doubt, any questions, type in the comment box. I will answer that in my next video. Thank you for watching, and I wish all my friends a very profitable day ahead and week ahead.